And still to come, rescuers are trying to reach hundreds of climbers trapped by blizzard conditions on Mount Everest. More than 200 hikers are still stranded on the slopes of Mount Everest by a powerful blizzard. 2 days of heavy snowfall have led to people being cut off from campsites. There have been cases of hypothermia and reports of tents collapsing under the weight of snow. 350 climbers have already been accompanied down by rescuers. Our China correspondent Laura Bicker reports.
The snow-buried tents so deep that hikers had to be dug out of their shelters. As the alarm was raised, the local fire service sent trained staff into the blizzard. Some even carried struggling casualties to safety. In the morning, snow had piled up around those who'd hunkered down. Hundreds of others had made their way downhill, step by step, wading through deeply covered paths. Their route had become unrecognisable. Only locals knew the way. And their yaks and horses helped carry equipment to those trapped. There was warm food and aid once hikers had finally reached the nearest village. This visitor, safely on the bus to Lhasa, said she was lucky to get out. The storm battered the Himalayas, triggering landslides and floods on the Nepalese side of Everest. Entire villages were washed away, and the army used helicopters to get to families as the waters rose. At least 40 people have been killed, and there are warnings the death toll could rise. Roads and bridges have been damaged, hampering rescue efforts. In a region used to storms, the severity of this one has come as a surprise even to seasoned hikers. In this video shared with the BBC, outdoor enthusiast Dong Shuchang documented his retreat from the mountain. As Tibetan locals gave him blessings, he told us this trip had taught him a lesson, that even after making careful plans, the weather around Everest is both unpredictable and dangerous. Laura Bicker, BBC News, Beijing.